Hey, what's poppin' with y'all, man? It's your boy Say Mafia back with another video. We do fashion and lifestyle type content over here, so hey, tap in. But in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to grow, how to start, how to, you know, it's 2024. You say you want to start your YouTube channel, so let's start it. Let's get up after this video. Go record that video. Go record that video. Or for the first thing, you feel me? You want to be authentic. Like, don't be trying to fake it. Don't be trying to be somebody else you're not. Be you. Like, people trying to vibe with you. Like, that's why they subscribe to your channel. They subscribe to your channel, they mess with your energy. Y'all energies connect or whatever. Like, y'all, you feel me? So make sure you're being yourself. Do not try to be someone else, because they gon' see that. They gon' see it, and they gonna know you frontin'. And you're not gonna grow like that. But be yourself, be yourself. People gonna rock with that. People gonna really rock with that, and then you gonna find your audience. Like, not everybody gonna rock with your content, but if you're being yourself, somebody's gonna be like, oh yeah, he fire. Oh yeah, I'm a subscribe to bro. You feel me? Or like, I'm a subscribe to her. You know, like, come on now, be yourself, be yourself, and make sure you know you make it fun. Like, YouTube is fun. YouTube, now I'm not gonna say it's like always fun, but YouTube is fun. You will have your days where it's, you know, it's kind of stressful. You gotta do some stuff. You gotta edit. You know, I'm not gonna say it's super easy, but you can do it. Look, I'm doing it right now. Like, I'm really recording. Like, I was literally sitting in my bed like, I need to record a video, and here I am now recording this video. Like, come on now, record your video. All right, so next we are going to talk about equipment. You've probably heard this before, but you do not need a camera. Like, people be saying, what's the best camera? But if you're first starting off, use your phone. Your phone works, literally. Your phone has some of the best quality. Okay, some of the best quality. Like, you do not need a $300-400 camera to start a YouTube channel. Come on now. Now, what I will say, when you are using your phone, it does take up a lot of space, and you will like run out of space quickly. But you know, but your phone works. And then let's say if you do have you're using your phone, I would say get you a ring light. Usually a ring light comes with little I have this one, but it's connected. I'll take it off. Usually a ring light will come like this right here. You can set your phone up like that. Boom. Now you don't gotta put your phone on books. But if you don't got the money, don't get it. You can literally use some books, and you can use the window. If you're in front of a window, your lighting will be perfectly fine. Your lighting will be perfectly fine. Now let's say you want to get a camera, but you don't need a camera. I got a camera like my third or fourth video, but that's because I knew I wanted to do this. I knew for certain I was gonna be doing this, so there was no doubt about it. And I was running out of space. And don't follow my footsteps. Use your phone. But let's say you do get a camera. The best camera for you to get is a Canon G7X Mark II. That's like vlogging YouTube. That's a little basic starter camera. Here are like maybe 2 other cameras you might want to get if you're starting a YouTube channel. But a Canon G7X, I'll put up a picture of what it looks like. Boom. That's what I'm recording off right now. A Canon G7X is a great camera if you just want to start. If you're starting off and you know you're trying to upgrade your, or let's say you've been recording for a minute, you're trying to upgrade type stuff. You want a camera, Canon G7X. Don't ever say I didn't help y'all. Alright, so once you do have a camera, you might want to get an adapter. An adapter that can either go into your phone, into your laptop, so you can edit and stuff like that. So I do have 2 of them. This one goes into my phone, and then this one goes into my phone and my laptop, so I can put my micro SD card and my SD card in here. And this one has a micro SD card and a flash drive or whatever, port 2. So those are like 2 little things you might want to get. And then let's say you need some lighting, whatever, I would say get some ring lights. I'll take a video in a second of what my setup is looking like right now. Like, I literally have like 2 ring lights right here, cameras on a tripod or whatever, and then yeah. So like, you don't even really need the best equipment as long as you can get the video and the video looks good. Like, come on now. I know you've probably heard this before, but be consistent. Consistency is the name of the game. That's how you're gonna grow for real. Like, YouTube is not gonna push your content out if you're not posting consistently. If you're posting twice a week, YouTube gonna be like, oh, he really serious about this? They're gonna push your stuff to more people. You're gonna be in the algorithm. Hey, and if you're not gonna be consistent, don't start a YouTube. If you're not gonna really put in the work, if you're not gonna record a video every like twice a week or something like that, do not start a YouTube channel. Do not start a YouTube channel. Cause I mean, there was a time where I wasn't posting consistently. Like if y'all check my YouTube channel, y'all go to the bottom, there was times where it was like 4 months, 5 months where I just did not post. I did not post. Cause I wasn't consistent. I didn't want to get up and go get on my stuff, get on my Zoom, you feel me? I ain't want to get on my stuff and record a video. So you just gotta be consistent. So when you come into this, don't come into this thinking you're gonna be monetized, you're gonna be making all this money, because you're not. You're most likely not. You really gotta come into this like you really love making content, like you really like doing this. Because if not, you're not gonna want to record. It's not gonna be fun. You're going to be bored while doing it. And when you're doing that, that ain't it. Because when you're bored or like you don't want to do it, then the way you perceive is gonna be like, hi, welcome to the YouTube video. Yeah. Today I'm gonna be, you know, like you need to actually want to do this. I've been wanting to record YouTube videos since a youngin'. You feel me? I used to record on my mom's phone, on my dude's phone. You feel me? Recording, and I'll post it on YouTube. But yeah, you need to actually like and love doing this. Like, I love recording. This is fun to me. Like, you know. All right, next you need to find your niche. Like, you probably like, what is a niche? Whatever. A niche is basically what your content is gonna be about. Now, I'm not saying you need to stick to your niche. Like, let's say you're doing fashion content, or you're doing skate content, or you're doing financial content and stuff like that. You can venture off. I'm not saying you need to stick to this niche, but you need to figure out what your content is mostly gonna be about. I say fashion and lifestyle. Lifestyle is a lot. Lifestyle is broad. So mostly I do like shoe reviews, outfit stuff and stuff like that. And then lifestyle, like me vlogging, me going to casting call and stuff like that. Like I venture off. Like, I'm not saying you gotta stay in your niche. Do what you do. Go do, but like you shouldn't just post a gaming clip and the next day you're in Alaska. like come on now. Like, I don't know if that was a good analogy, but like, you know, like you just try to stick in your niche and try to tie everything in with your niche. All right, so now let's get into content and stuff like that, like recording. So when recording content, let's say you recorded content, you edit the video, rewatch the video. If you can't sit through that video, if the video is boring or something like that, fix it. Add something to make it not boring. Oh, another thing, add music under your video. Like, as y'all see throughout this whole video, there's been music under the video. So it's not, cause let's watch this. So this is the same thing, but there's no music behind it. So it's like it's two different vibes. You feel me? So make sure you add music under your stuff when you're doing that. But back to what I was saying, I'm getting off topic. Back to what I was saying, you need to rewatch your video, and if you can't sit through it, what makes you think other people are gonna sit through that whole video? So make it interesting. Next is how to like come up with content ideas. Really, I watch other people's content and I get inspiration, or like I take other people's ideas and put a spin on it. Like, you know, look at other people's ideas, put a spin on it, or you know, like come up with some unique ideas that people haven't done yet. Like, just kind of, you gotta sit down and just like think with yourself, like, what can I do? What videos can I record? You know, what all that stuff like that. Or like ask your subscribers like what videos they want to make. I have people on my Instagram DM me for this video, like, hey, how do you start a YouTube channel and stuff like that, and I'll be like, all right, video on the way, so I'm recording it now. So yeah, but here are a few content ideas. Depending on your niche, you need to tailor it to your niche. And then don't be scared to like share your content with people. Like, post it on Instagram, post it on all your platforms, make sure all your friends subscribing or whatever. They may not rock with your content for real, because people not really gonna rock with you until it becomes a trend to rock with you. But like, if you got family, get them to subscribe or whatever. You know, don't be scared to promote your stuff, because hey, that's what you do. You feel me? So now that you posted your video, whatever, make sure, or now that you edit your video, make sure you have a good thumbnail, because thumbnails is what people click on the video. Thumbnails is how people look at the thumbnail and be like, oh, that video look fire, let me click on it. you know. So you need to make your thumbnails look good, and if you don't know how to make a thumbnail, either learn how to make a good thumbnail or pay somebody to do it, because thumbnails is what gets people to click. Like, thumbnails and keywords in your video is what get people to click on your video. All right, starting off, what I would say is post like 2 to 3 times a week. 2 to 3 times a week. You're like, 2 to 3 times a week? Like, yes, 2 to 3 times a week. And it's gonna be stressful. Like, you're gonna have days where you're like laying there like, I don't wanna edit this video. Like, editing is so like, it's so much work, so much. Like, there's times where I'm like, I don't edit a video. It takes me like a week or so just to edit a video. That's why, and I had to get out that mindset. I had to like, I just gotta go edit. Right when I record a video, I go to edit. Right then and there. So I'm like, I just gotta get this done. I just gotta get it done. So I would say post 2 to 3 times a week so you can get your content out there. That's what's gonna get you growing. Like, you're gonna have that one video that pop off. You post 3 times a week, that's 12 videos every month. Like, you're gonna have that one video that pops off. You're going to have that one video that pops off, and then your channel's set. And then you gotta stay consistent, because if you blow up, if you get that one video to go, you gotta stay consistent. That's what some people mess up. They don't have consistency. Once they get that one video to pop, they don't have consistency, so then, you know, they can't keep that momentum rolling. So post 2 to 3 times a week, or set up a schedule and post like that. All right, and for my people who want to know like what editing softwares I use and stuff like that, I'll show y'all what I use for my phone. So all of these are the ones I use on my phone when I do edit on my phone. You can use CapCut to edit on your computer. So let's say you have a computer and you're editing on your computer, you can use I bit my tongue. You use CapCut to edit on there. So yeah, and editing is really like, it's a lot, because you're gonna be rewatching your clip, rewatching your clip, and it's just a lot. It's a lot, and it can make or break your video. All right, so here are a few apps you might want to put on your phone or whatever to track your YouTube growth and track everything like that. So you definitely want to get YouTube Studio for sure. If you don't get any of the other ones, definitely get YouTube Studio. That's YouTube's version. There you can track your analytics. You can track what your subscribers like watching. You can check everything like that. How long are they watching your video? You know, you can check so you can figure everything out. It'll give you all your analytics, how many subscribers you have, how close you are to being monetized, and all that stuff like that. The next little app you might want to get is YouTube Tracker. YouTube Tracker is basically it'll show you your growth on like getting monetized. So I know a while back when I wasn't monetized, it would show like I had 50 subscribers and I had like 300 watch time, and yeah, that'll just help you track your growth when you are trying to grow your YouTube channel. And then vidIQ. vidIQ is a great app for you to have. You can even have it on your computer. They help you optimize your thumbnails. Yeah, not optimize your titles, optimize your hashtags, all the stuff like that. And they give you tips, and it's like they have a whole course where you can like watch the videos, and it'll like give you good tips, like good it'll like teach you a little bit more about the YouTube game and stuff like that. So yeah, that's yeah. All right, next, make sure you're engaging with your supporters, your people, y'all family for real. So I'm gonna call y'all my family, but for me it's gonna be make sure I'm engaging with my family, whatever. Like really act like you on FaceTime with your friend or whatever. Act like like they with you. Like I be acting like y'all with me sometimes. You feel me? So like really engage with them. Make sure you liking all their comments, replying to all the comments. I know when you get to a certain level, you can't reply to all the comments, but make sure you try to reply to some of them. Like if you don't respond to them, it's like you don't care. You feel me? And I care about y'all. You know, I be liking all y'all stuff. I be commenting. I got y'all. I'm gonna respond to y'all. Y'all feel me? And if I don't, I'm sorry. It's all love. It's all love. It's all love. It's all love. But yeah, make sure you are not supporting. Make sure you are engaging with your people. You know, asking them questions, like ask them a question to comment down below and stuff like that. Yeah, just make sure you're engaging with them, and don't be scared when your videos are not popping off. Like let's say you get like 50 views, don't stop. You gotta keep posting. You gotta keep posting, because you gotta stop focusing on the views. When you're first starting off, stop focusing on the views. Just post. And that's another thing. If you don't love this, you're not gonna post. Like I'll post no matter what, no matter if I'm getting 5 views or not. I rock with, if I'm getting 5 views, I rock with y'all. I rock with you, twin. I rock with you. And like, the people who watch my videos, I rock with y'all. Now for me, you gotta like really love doing this, so don't be discouraged when your videos are not doing good, when your videos are only getting 100 views, only getting 200 views, only getting 5 views. You just gotta keep posting, cause you stop posting and for like a month or so, you probably, and then you start posting again, your videos are not gonna get engagement. That's what I was talking about just a few seconds ago. You need to continue, have consistency, and keep posting. But that's pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. I must probably give y'all a few more tips. Make sure y'all like being consistent for real though. You know, posting those videos. I remember my most biggest video, I did not want to edit that video. Like I was literally halfway through it because it took me like 5-6 hours. Halfway through it, I was like, I'm not gonna edit this. I quit. But I actually ended up editing it, and it happened to be one of my biggest videos. So that's just something for you, okay? But you gotta keep believing in yourself. Keep saying that you are a YouTuber. Like, if you wanna start, you gotta say it to that. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. I be saying that every day in my head. I'll look in this mirror like, I'm a YouTuber. You know, it's manifesting. You gotta manifest it. Where attention goes, energy flows. Where attention goes, energy flows. So you need to really put your work in with this YouTube stuff, because you can do it. I know you can, because I did it. Like, anybody can do this. But that's just some, you know, I just, you know, came on here to help y'all out a little bit. Help y'all start our YouTube channel. So, yeah, let's work on that YouTube though. So what video what video you about to record? What video you about to record? Come on now. Think about that, write it down, go record it. That's gonna wrap up today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy my vibe. More videos on the way, on the road to 5K, you feel me? We gonna run it up, keep running it up, and then run it up some more. Alright, twin, I'll rock with you later.